Okay. Hi. We're on 3rd Avenue. If you can see that coming towards me, it's a snow hurricane. This is considered a snowicane. It's very rare. We never get them. And there's a bus, a huge bus, that's out of service, that is stuck on 3rd Avenue that can't even move. So the buses and general transportation is having a really hard time getting around. Look at that. It looks pretty on camera, but right now we're in what would be like a sandstorm, but it's called a snowstorm. Oh, boots are on sale. I could surely use those right now because this is what I'm wearing. Flat shoes. Snow going right into my sock. All right, I have half a block, and we're going to get inside, and snow just fell on my head. Check it out. The bus can't even move. The bus is at a standstill.
It's New York.
How do you like this shit? I don't like it at all. It's insane, right? We're getting more.
It's so cold.
We're getting more. Well, have a good night. Happy New Year. Oh, my God. Friendly New Yorkers, even in the snow. Well, we got half a block to go, so we're going to sign off. But look at that. MTA, not in service. It's a huge bus that cannot move because it's stuck. There you go. The blizzard of 2010. This is actually the worst we've seen it in many years. I should probably stop at the grocery and get some stuff before I go in, but I think I'm just going to go in. All right. Look at that.